Lesson 1. Introduction to Electrical Installation, EcoVolts Engineering. Welcome to the Electrical Installation Mastery course by Hakim Unlimited and EcoVolts Engineering. If you want to become a professional electrician, get contracts, or start earning through electrical work, this course is for you. Powered by EcoVolts Engineering, bringing you electrical excellence, engineering skills, and real-world projects from Ghana to the world. Section 1. What is electrical installation? Electrical installation is the process of wiring, connecting, testing, and powering a building. It includes lighting circuits, socket circuits, switches, DB distribution board, earthing protection systems. This course teaches everything step by step. Section 2. Why electrical installation skills matter. Electricians are always in demand. Homes, shops, markets, schools, everywhere needs installation. Master this skill, and you can earn $2,000 to $48,000 plus GHS per contract, just as I have. Section 3. Tools you need affiliate ready. You will find the links in the description. Digital multimeter voltage tester, screwdrivers, pliers, set hammer and chisel 20 mm, 25 mm, conduit cable 1.5 mm, 2.5 mm, fish tape. Section 4. Ghana Energy Commission Safety Basics. Always follow safety first. Never work on live circuits. Wear PPE test before touching. Use correct cable sizes. Follow color codes: live, brown, neutral, blue, earth yellow, green. Section 5. What you will learn in this course: conduit, bending room, wiring socket and light installation, DB assembly, earthing, full house wiring pricing, and business passing inspections. Getting clients. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and follow the playlist. Let's move to Lesson 2. Tools and materials for installation.